What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to save your game in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is go inside your property, and once you are inside you will find this switch, and there you will find the save game option. Now at every property there is a different location for this, so I will begin with the motel location, and that is this location. You will find it here, and once you click on E you will save your game. Now I will go to the next location, and that is the sweatshop. So once you are in the sweatshop you will find that switch on the right side, and you can save it over here next to the door. Now the next location is of course the bungalow, and I will show you guys where the location is over there. Once you are at the bungalow you can go inside and you will find the switch on the left side of this door. So then you can save the game over here. The next stop is of course the barn. And then we will proceed to the docks warehouse. Once you are at the barn, go inside, and on the right side of these slide doors you will find the save game option. You can save your game over here in the barn. The next and last stop is of course the docks warehouse, and I will show you guys where that location is. So the last location is the docks warehouse, and once you are going inside you will find the save game option on the left side at the opening of this warehouse. So if you would like to save it, go to it and then click E, and then your game will be saved. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!